Aurora recently noted that despite advancements in AI, competitors may not appreciate the complexity of bringing an autonomous solution to market, as it involves more than just core software. Hinting at building confidence in their progress in building the proverbial moat, posing a higher barrier to entry for potential competition. The company has received positive feedback from partners and customers since its launch and aims to expand from 2 trucks to tens of trucks by focusing on operational execution and expanding the driver's operational domain. They plan to share metrics, such as driverless miles and revenue updates quarterly instead of development metrics like ARM and API. The process of lane expansion is expected to accelerate due to the self-similar nature of the U.S. freeway system and industrial parks. Aurora's CEO Chris Urmson also mentioned the future of self-driving trucks in their commercial self-driving service, with heavy-duty trucks on public roads is officially on the road, and every day they have trucks on the road pulling goods for customers without anyone sat behind the steering wheel. Urmson also addresses concerns about job losses due to autonomous trucking, saying that there isn't enough interest from Americans to do truck driving jobs, and the company aims to complement those who still require human drivers by improving safety in freight transportation. Aurora Innovation launched its commercial self-driving trucking service in Texas, making it the first company to operate such a service with heavy-duty trucks on public roads. After completing over 1,200 miles without a driver, Aurora plans to expand its service to El Paso, Texas, and Phoenix, Arizona by the end of 2025. CEO Chris Urmson said they founded Aurora to safely and broadly deliver self-driving technology benefits, adding that their commitment has made this milestone possible. The launch of the flagship product, the Aurora Driver, in long-haul trucking is expected to offer a system to address challenges faced by the trucking industry, such as an aging driver population, high turnover rates, rising operating costs, and underutilized assets. Launch customers Uber Freight and Hirschbach Motor Lines have previously conducted supervised commercial pilots with Aurora and are now implementing autonomous trucks for more efficient supply chain management and improved working conditions for drivers. Aurora already built trust through its safety case, which demonstrated the acceptability of their product for public roads. They also released a driverless safety report detailing the Aurora Driver's operating domain and safety approach. The company maintains transparency and collaboration with government agencies, including FMCSA, NHTSA, NTSB, TXDOT, TXDPS, TXDMV, and local Texas law enforcement to ensure readiness for driverless operations. They're also expanding routes as it works with stakeholders to ensure visibility into their progress. In the U.S., several states such as Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona have permitted driverless vehicles. Upon commercial launch, Texas Governor Greg Abbott praised Aurora's efforts, stating that the state continues to attract emerging industries due to its encouraging environment for innovation. Furthermore, the governor remarked that these self-driving trucks will improve efficiency in transporting goods, generate employment opportunities, and enhance road safety, while contributing to Texas's economic growth and prosperity. The Aurora Driver is capable of operating safely on highways due to its powerful computer and sensors that can detect objects beyond 4 football fields. Over 4 years of supervised pilot hauls, the driver has completed over 10,000 customer loads across 3 million autonomous miles. It also has exceptional capabilities such as predicting red light runners, avoiding collisions, and detecting pedestrians even in dark environments hundreds of meters away. Aurora's verifiable AI approach ensures adherence to road rules like yielding for emergency vehicles, enabling the company to validate the driver's decision-making process. The launch trucks are equipped with redundant systems including braking, steering, power, sensing, controls, computing, cooling, and communication that allow them to operate safely without a human driver. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.